Well, how about this? $500,000 of equipment stolen. That's what a local construction company says happened. We're talking about B. Hansen Construction. They tell ABC4 in the middle of the night, trucks, generators, hammers, you name it, all of it stolen. ABC4's Jordan Burroughs is joining us live. Jordan, we hear about things like this happening, but that is a serious amount of money, and they've got some surveillance video of what happened.
Nick, it's a crazy amount of money. It's a mom and pop shop, a local construction business. So, of course, when I talked to the owner, he's livid about what happened. I have a list here. This is the list that the owner shared with me that he says was taken off of his property. The biggest thing not on this list, actually, is two 2019 heavy-duty Chevy Silverados that are one-ton trucks. Also on this list, of course, you can see things like drills and saws and generators. $500,000 worth of equipment. So, of course, I asked the mechanic. He was on scene today. I said, hey, how did this all happen? He ended up explaining to me what happened. This is sort of a crazy story, and this is just a story of a mechanic being too trusting. His name's Ray Crawford. He says on Wednesday night into Thursday morning, an acquaintance came by needing a place to stay because she said her boyfriend was threatening her. Crawford says he let her in, and then Crawford says he went to sleep for the night. However, a couple of hours later, that woman had some friends meet up with her here at B. Herman Construction. Essentially, within the span of an hour or so, that $500,000 worth of equipment was stolen. An employee called UPD at 6:30 when they realized those trucks were gone. But Crawford, the mechanic, says his blood was boiling when he also realized he had stuff stolen out of his own personal truck.
We're trying to find them. We're trying to find our equipment. You know, it's whatever we can find. I've been going out every night looking.
Yeah, again, that mechanic Crawford says he's been going on every night looking, says almost about 1,000 miles he's driven trying to look for those two trucks, $500,000 worth of equipment. We did get our hands on that surveillance video. We'll show it to you in a little bit on ABC4 News at 10 o'clock. Reporting live in Midvale, Jordan Burroughs, ABC4 News.
Okay, thanks, Jordan. Can't even